Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial of origami slugs. So in this tutorial I'll teach you how to make an origami cup. So that's by starting by take this point and land upon the point over here. Guys, you can take 15 by 15 centimeter paper or any size paper you want of A4 size paper. You can use colored or origami sheets, that depends on you. Okay, so we'll start again. Take this point, land upon the point over there like this. Now open it backwards like this and take this point and land upon the point over here. And give a crease. Now what to do next is take this point over here and land upon the point over there like this, and take this point and land upon a point over there like this and give a crease. So the paper will look like this. Now what to do next is take this part and fold it backwards like this and give a crease. Now upside down and push it. Do the same step from here and line upon the line. So you can see here's a line, so you should match with the line and crease it like this. Now what to do next is, so here is your closed cup. Now what to do next is you have to put your finger inwards like this. So here is like this. But now as you have made the cup, you have to crease it inwards like this. You can tuck this inwards like this. So here is your origami cup. Guys, I hope you will enjoy my video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel if you want more short and lovely videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.